Tibion Famra Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwumadie so dia we kan se won sempa esa kana no pensuja me de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Alregina Wallace the nation's presenter and me sim kunya na me kono kwanten kono nsema do esa kana no pensu bium e wo Ghana agudiem eja Richoko ana me di one dance dia ma start your day with Richoko no pa bia no obetimi di so nyu abo obetimi di so hia abo Richoko no ye oketwa ye wadentem na fe obode na kasa ho no obetimi atwene fam e de akufi akono bo de ada son sabeti aka Richoko beti aboa ma watimi start today no right game park games e de chacha so kwa ba boys dia edi no enya asem ketwa kwa nano da western nema AC course game park games osmosis ne hu jimu ana ene utwa ya wadi a wodi aware fefefe me se fees abire kode 1 to 36 utimi seletina mesi bia ebetin abo 1 Ghana series to 350 Ghana series betin atwa na wodi 26 times to stake no we the amazing pick one game no and edi ho dance e di ama pick one game no arrival with the bang bomodin da so do hu betin sa gym draw no eba so Adom TV so anopa no kron ana fe so awia kataban so na fe so kwa no enwumre no nsia star 946 hash star 946 hash na be gameparkgames.com ewo omo internet no so sabitian sai come ka game park games a o se more mula more power o mo tachire panel distance so create sabro national lottery authority phone pay for ajatum na mu unimu feeling o twen fa wonje chacha diwa woni betia kokko betia prusu kra betia kekawo adwene betia sabu mitim so na de adwene kakra so etimi asaton we mu ana tachire abo man na pede a kensi won sempa esa ka etimi jaw intempa so yensha 7 UEFA Champions League eno matches ni betia saton fam se na bidi kan ka kire wono na Man City 40 young boys couple polemiensa 3-0 and the TP Martin Sampa young boys no munyi ampa me young e was Akins Kesin AC Milan PSG Messi former team ETS atwam 2-1 e wa Kingsman no so Western Messi kwa na se muyedene Atletico Madrid enso che Celtic avalanche of goals cricket scoreline ETS mu e couple polensia 6-0 and no so 8-2 ja and afi Shakhtar Donetsk wo che Barcelona etwam e ka ba ko Barcelona 4 entimi ante hwagro
Marquinhos sends it on to Skriniar, and Milan look to a flag.
That and Benfica Besiktas ya kan Arsenal women Seville and the Akinsi betia boss Bayern Beton sell for Galatasaray omo e Turkey na FC Copenhagen only Manchester United ya so PSV Everton Sunday Fairlands no so the Akinsi na boss Real Madrid and Braga Besiktas ya kan Salzburg and Inter and the Akinsi betia pem so we e ukwada de and e de ema hwehwehwe nyame Adom 106.3 FM Asempa 94.7 FM the live commentary betia sato so abrenti ya catch entem by 6 no equal best 6:13 die na yesim kunya by 7 na ese ekoso kama na wo sena niama ese ekọ game na kasa 8 ntia na wo sena hye na ABC akọ but quickly yentu yeni emfanche president of rugby Africa Herbert Kojo Amponsa mensa amafo beka for makoto chairman ono so anani we president edema rugby Africa na nano da rugby for so di omani 8 years achire mu abruchia wo ekobo World Cup kakra na nkoma odieja infrastructure ho e Ghana no still no omugidi pass nsakra bia emma e Ghana gudimie.
Because look, every kid wants to play rugby. They would like to get into touch rugby, you know, dodging and ducking and whatever else. It's more fun than just kicking around ball around here to here and then falling down. And I think we saw with the recent Sevens tournament in Harare and the one in Tunisia won by the Box and the one in Harare won by Kenya, that the standard has just gone. That means the investment.
Nti Herbert Kojo Amponsa Mensa former chairman Edema Kumasi Krobi Asante Koroko ene nei odon hwaje rugby no so opese oboa peja rugby ejina Mount Everest na so hwese ne mai sikoso na still rugby ni so wiawia in terms of infrastructure moa emaniama entiankoyi enfamom yentintom ewo Ministry of Youth and Sports vakache omso chese omuke komosa siasa bebi tiansa boa na agudi ne tiansa peja ne mu kakra na hwese ne ma ese koso na Ghana agudi no agbojo aise hippopotamus aise otinumu ansa na wateneka na nei women national service secretariat no akonakra na awmo ehwenim se sa memorandum of understanding betian boa yenya athlete amso ebe national service amso betimi de service no agudi kwanso no abeboa ema Ghana agudi so 2020 omasan MOU ene partnership with the national service scheme na omo ehwese eno so ebetian boa na Ghana agudi epeja.
The team Ghana will be competing, and these 10 stadiums are done simultaneously. 6 of them are all completed that year and are waiting commissioning. We can't finish all this without maintaining these facilities, and that is why this MOU is very critical, so that we have the manpower to ensure that these facilities are maintained and maintained well. The objective of this MOU is to facilitate the deployment of national service personnel to various sectors within these sports organizations under the sports support model. These dedicated individuals will contribute their skills and expertise in such areas in marketing, physiotherapists. We have physiotherapists completing University of Ghana. Some of them will be deployed to our federation. The aim is to make sure that we bring synergy between academic qualification, knowledge acquired to practical experience to enhance positioning, promotion and branding of our clubs and federations, enabling them to compete on global scale. And this discussion, let me also acknowledge
the Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Minister for Youth and Sports. There's a Remebnu and Agudi Organema on Heni so the National Service Scheme on the Honkobatabate, Bitiabua, Emma Sports and Sweat said to point almost sign MOU, Yanko Patrick Osajman, Countryman Sungu, na Fireman, and fa a Songo stick, another pedian so 8 Samra. Hello, Songo. Hello, Songo. Hello, Songo. Okay, what's a train Songo no? Yanko a Ghana Olympic Committee GOC form paying for a catch na president or GOC friend said Ben Nunu Mesa BNM. On also the Kumoha creating a Sabasa country no, your sporting disciplines be Honma, Omo achieve Omo target party 0-100. Emu esomye rebranding and the beti saboma mouth near ku agudi no na my ye na boa emaniama so etimi akoyi ediamom Benunu Mesa GOC president and the Dinkumujai.
For the first time in our sports administration, now sports or national sports federations can have officers who will effectively manage the office. That is something that our national sports federations have lacked. So for now, we can have people who can create a brand for them. The challenge we have with most of our national sports federations is that they don't make themselves attractive. In other words, so they're not able to get sponsors. I think that if we can take advantage of these personnel that are going to be closer to us and now start branding our sports federation, it would be very easy for most of us to be able to attract sponsors and other words to help our kids.
See, Benunu Mensa, a Ghana Olympic Committee GOC president, and I'll tell you, Council didn't come 8 January. You see, bit me as I catch a flame of Songo's fire now. Hello? Hello, Songo? Hello, Songo? Okay. Inti yankom ewo Mediama Sporting Club for kache. Nanoda, omo epeja 2023 Ghana Premier League nisi ejina kunkon na the whole of Western region na oba Ghana ha ubia ebo mumrane no Ghana mampanyi so bomrane emo de bo hye kakra 8 sata to. Yese na ekupiem ewo takwa ene ne hye so no mamafo asemo mu kanse na nado etuo na yinima semko se Ghana mampanyi hye bo se obemo 1 million Ghana cedis no de akwa Africa na sesika no ya kafrotonim. Inti ene brands and marketing manager Edema Mediama Sporting Club Ebenezer Edu was say omo extreme panyin say baby is kan hye na dama baby o madunu e was second phase of the CAF Champions League edene te tin that there oboa ebeboa
up till now and buy as a club they say be a reminder say they ko penifo ewo abankesim ATM ye be sure omo say Africa na ye ko no ye ko e de ahye Ghana no nyam President promised 1 million Ghana cedis. Ye bestre ye company say 1 million Ghana cedis. Our the promise here abra team no J crew true honorable Duka our ye MP ewo takwanso aye madaro ma edi ni mema ye ko ne wono. Sa 1 million no like emre babegum. Ampem da ko ya wo ka o masem ya promise you about 30,000 or 40,000. Yeah, we are aware say Omunsaka musica, even though Omumpo back on the Yesika no, Yabestre Yaman Penny say, you need that super hotel Ayakoda Egypt. Well, as it's costing the team almost about 25,000 US. Oh. Yes, that is it. Ticket cram by, and I can make me a can. That is hotel, Adriani, all the arrangements. That is the amount of money we are going to spend there. And sana ticket, and sana other expenses. What I say, and see, yama pani epro
nti ne abanso no ewo sena ne ma AC ekoso ere ma be ma sporting club which is na no da Ghana man panyi bo show mra omo Eko Africa no ase bo che no eya ka kwantum na ehwese yensa be ka songo biu a na afi ehwese ne ma asi ko. Hello Songo. Hello Songo. Hello Songo. TM say Patrick Osajmane say yensa be ka no party utim say. Hello Songo.
Professor Otiminka.
Metunka.
I never understand coming at Kabahami because I'm not happy. Short in America, with all respect, in a professional way. That foolish sports minister will also we careful. The mechanical you see Mustafa no and one cat no. And cause come a corner book also, but a yellow book or swallow pay because FIFA. 7 or 8 months in the Sikaba, FIFA discard $10.5 million US in the name of World Cup Ghana Koye. What it says can have to Ghana football people accounting. I'm a minister near aware. March move up and we are aware said you call World Cup at $10.5 million yes Abekan. Now who sports minister and Titia made Titia and he said, almost see. Sikano $1.5 million no money fair. Blasters said training and logistics need whatever no. I can $9 million net that account muno. Sa $9 million net tia metiti and say. And omo discano improve the facilities. Facilities by Master, the joke is too much in this country. You think system will grow too much. A for yes kwa. Minister ne ket no womun timi fa World Cup sika ni ni o womun timi chess kan ni embe jino me kan kire ni ametete no say ye dey improving $9 million ye dey improving facilities e was sports wo pro facilities by minister no onye careful police minister professional what pastor tell say office ye yankula yankwasiafo on ene ye gukura we mu ena mo pesa mo di it's a Ghana for any kick from anyhow. There 4 or 5 World Cups ayako. You about $50 million US. You find as a country. And yes, 3 Ghana and Nimu kick from countries the Munko World Cup that South Sudan, Tanzania, Munkulano, and Mauritania Mukwa, cultural facilities, and the war Mudiska. FIFA sika kakle be banu sika omubenya omudi improve omu sports omudi improve omu football adai and a blasters akọ World Cup ye the taxpayers money e the amama mako chase Kennedy anything a minister wey otimi chair nipa baako say we blasters management committee member otimi chair no anaso otimi man sika 13 billion old Ghana cedis each how e dey no mu koye World Cup wo ma Ghana blasters away. Na FIFA discover $10.5 million US. More you move 1.5. Mona must said training and logistics for blasters. And you say ye young you bones the much is kind of rough anyhow. I can $9 million. Minister, any care to pursue much say. Sa si can any question could do be bottom. Sa is he can a grand and tear blasters in tear. Blasters in Subeya, a more frosty grassroots 17, 20, 23, and Yebenya blasters. The blasters Magana Yeska, also says Cano, ye timidly develop your football, no. Also says Cano, ye timidly say your football, no. Any consequence for bottom minister bottom, and I care to bottom. No way. Me boy fu no pay. Near question Sikana Badidado, and yes, I feel a Sikanaba. Me tete say ye they are improving infrastructure. Move first sports minister no pay for Okruma. President Akufo-Addo with all respect. Baumia vice president with all respect. Parliament. Move first sports minister we MPP for pay for. Move first sports minister we Yusuf Mustafa na nim tinche obi a. Yanyan kwasiafo ne egukuro we mu. Professional with all respect. Yanyan kwasiafo ne egukuro we mu. Wo mu church ka di rough ye hu minister bia o free Spain any blasters are going to mobile obeto team wo musuba no Woman your chance a ministry wa sports wa no mu de sika pe blaster sika pe no mu pe kwa bi so e maye ayi answers bi ne ensemu bia eyem tro eyem tro sika $9 million infrastructure ban no mu de improve your Ghana ha sika $9 million no a blasters mi enya o World Cup no empo yenya $10.5 million and a matimu 1.5 cell logistics ni 20 years said ya World Cup na we ya re FIFA master sika we ba Ghana $9 million Senegal for nya sika we o mu league kro mu di bia hyem o mu di sika ni bia hyem o mu league o mama central phobic so mu develop game no mu kan ho asem ye football no o mu grassroots o mama make sure sika ni kwa academies no grassroots no o mu you should sikani ye Senegal for plan the yentimi no mobo a o mu ya de chen bebre countries kura na o mu anko World Cup ni bi no kura no wo hwe o mu football facilities and listen o mu sikika o mu ho e wo football ye de say ya dan laughing stock and a country bia say African country bia to me near bobo any house say ya yentimi say blasters ya san ye gu ye ho anim ase ye re but sika na ekoho sika no minister and a cat no and wo mu cheska ni di wo mu no mu nkofo anasa dey what do they mean so nonsense sick fire bender and also mu me hu ne the fans ne beye sa $9 million no also boy football Ghana for pay for parliament mu free minister we na mu minister no sports minister no say sika no de dey it is almost improve facilities bay at the end of movie I will grow we musa day ya blamo any a year movie you are thieving us the be a movie the taxpayers money the taxpayer move improve your money move any who minister who need policies be out the sports who need policies be out the board grassroots no ama sports aye who need be but who the say only football for a Canada, and in the name of blasters, Mudi Cheskadi, Mudi Feska, Mudi Pesca, Mudi Vieska, Nasa say, Sanatier. What do you mean? Say FIFA discover in the name of blasters before World Cup, or mining up Honka. Yako World Cup in Omaisi can the coy. $50.1 million now kind of a sort of say again. Minister, you see, when in teacher Obiawate. What per ministry of sports wa also ya na uye no unye ye wako AFCON maku mienu ni nyina ware wako World Cup ware na hwehwe sika Ghana ya say no yenya yentimi fa improve your football your facilities yentimi fa improve your football hwe sika yenya o blasters bobo kwa who sports minister untimi reso mbe declare sika blasters nyai eno kwa untimi hwe ye de akọ US na no ya two friendly matches US in Mexico, Nina Sikaye, a Bam in Awam Yem. Before World Cup, friendly matches, a course on international matches, blasters matches, Omudia Jiska. Who minister won't mean you Musaloma Wina, Chasawota Odin, and I would Janita, oh, yeah, Kumano. But not sports you go from now, we know more Cheska the name of blasters. Sanity and nonsense, fire, ban you. World Cup, Sikali, a person near there, that fans, no, you pastor Ghana for your huni, a bet media. Near ye bet me the sports minister Munyadi. Why about lock on Yadia? Obi Antano Banokura no. Sikan Mumusa no Ghana for pay for sense so a pino MPP for and I said $9 million Mafa and a Mode Kaho, Edia Mojuma dia, Edia Mukampe dia, Edia Mu party dia, and then I'm a tia be a minister no. Aqua Giskana Mamu, Boko Coleno, Diama Bino. But your football, I say, you hear say be improve your football. You hear see football you hear see football the best only your local football talent home now to see him any say sponsorship on the buy and crown for this woman baby woman person baby because woman your benefit be woman be papa be a football for the local football is yes ka see be improve mama masa sika we position go for bottom mama man go for go teach sika we ni mama masika we position go for bottom now woman fee say more than 6 months in years, you can buy no. You refi as Ghanaians. Minister no motion here, sports minister no be pay ska. what the onam boko din sa wonye we be pay scapa ya ban him 1 p.m. to us so Ghana now be amna to us ana per before we mkatira professional idea no
okay the fancy Patrick Osajman Kantima Sungu and then commodity about say $10 million US and the BPM after World Cup. So $10 million US the BPM no. Oko other jurisdictions so mu ye pa. Senegal for the match ma PE teachers kwenye bia. Almost ADCC niama ebo ma niama tia kweba Ghana de ndie eya ka kwentu. Aw nyame adoma nkomo betu ansa to aso 12 pm TV so ya na ojoin fire for fire but me saka say First National Bank Accra Marathon 2023 jumedi betu ansa ba so. Na we marathon and can't your friend say Milo marathon no and a body break or corner the answer almost the same Emma a First National Bank and almost Edis Cabeshim until on the 11th of November 2023 Jumedin Bitian Saba so register ya or more than that say *365*807# *365*807# na on a First National Accra marathon on paying for 2023 also could to be achede na over 100k ana osabetia ka achede sika betia pim no over 100k ana eche nti bia obi obetia friend number we 05055255 na on First National Bank Accra Marathon 2023 mpemfo twetwe nkomo sebia oso do betia sa gym uni marathon tunku ade akonya na abeda we ubenya 100k ede aboata so a worth of air prizes ni niam ewu na nese ebe di kapa game park games enso ede chacha so kwetuen san badale *946# all networks na fatubi na obetia ko www.gameparkgames.com National Lottery Authority phone pay for Naija tum se emfa chacha yi emre youth no se bia obetia se twadi emra enyam post to nko national service di obetia di we akosi se obetia ya inti Richoku enso se start your day right but more than that say in a Ghanaian way ndi we say can Richoku Bubobi ebetia bo maniama etia kwani ya no pai odo ani kire West Hills more na se Jolord e wo honum Jolord Richoku na Jolord obo Jolord say Prof Richoku ne no ana mebo to call e West Hills more Richoku eno ana omonom onso no bi ebe no reshow na boa e maniama etia tutoyi e dia mawo within the Prof Ikewala sa good cash back up and I'm generally of course evidence based presentation it me jaw I didn't any ma onya okese if be in the Sony fan ko be in the so the act of